everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make something fabulous, hearkening from Italy. Creamy garlic chicken. And you can see the ingredients here. We're going to use a mixture of olive oil and butter. We've got red pepper flakes, some Italian mixed cheese, artichoke hearts. Now I'm going to use goose broth that we made from our Christmas goose. We boiled the bones, but you can use regular chicken broth or just white wine if you want for this recipe. Alright, so in a large pan with a combination of olive oil and butter, we're going to get that heated up and then fry some chicken. Right, now that we got the chicken brown on one side, we're going to add a little bit of sea salt to them. Just a little sprinkling like that. And some coarse ground black pepper. Now we're going to continue to cook them till they're brown on the other side. They don't have to be cooked all the way through because we're going to finish cooking them later in the sauce. Alright, I've removed the chicken and we got it in a pan over there. Now we're going to, in the same oil, we're going to sweat out the onion. After about 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to add 2 teaspoons red pepper flakes and the 1 bulb garlic that's sliced up. And we're going to sweat these out a little bit more for another few minutes. Clearly I had to get a bigger pot, and so now we're melting the goose broth in there, and we're going to add 8 ounces of heavy cream. To this we've added the onion and garlic mixture and 1 cup of water. 2 cans, 14 ounces each, quartered artichoke hearts that I've drained. And now we're just going to nestle the chicken back in there, okay? And we're going to bring this to a boil. Right, once it comes to a boil, we're going to cover it and simmer it for 30 minutes. Join me then. All right, there we have a plate of steaming deliciousness. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It smells awesome. Now we're going to put a little bit of Italian 5 cheese mix. Here, you can use any kind of cheese you want. I just went ahead and did that because I want to. And some chopped parsley, curly parsley for garnish. And there you have it, deliciousness on a plate. Thanks for watching, people. This is Rivet's creamy garlic chicken. Yum, absolutely fantastic.